Hello, viewers. Welcome to my channel, Since 360 Investor. In this video, let's take a look at an IPO that is fairly fresh, and that is CAVA. CAVA is basically a kind of a restaurant that offers up Mediterranean diet palette and sells mostly through grocery stores like Whole Foods. It also has an online presence and serves up like salads and dips and dressings, etc. All right, so if we look at Carbo, it just basically came out pretty recently. So we just got the 1 year bar. It is up for the year, but let's drill down a little bit. If we look at the monthly, we've got a couple of bars there trading towards the upper end of its range. But if we go down to the weekly, so we get a little bit more of a picture. So this, and when we get to the dailies, we'll take a look at when it came out, etc. But certainly from a weekly pattern, if you just focus on a weekly, we can start to see that the stock is in an uptrend. It's got fairly good relative strength, and it's getting some buying. The volume is not. There's not enough volume data to tell us one way or the other, so we can't really derive too much volume. So we're just looking at basically price, and overall price is in an uptrend at this stage. So we drill down to the daily, and what we see is that stock IPO'd and kind of finished up on the open, but wasn't a great finish. Not a volume coming in first day's trading, and then we see basically sold off, tried to rally, kind of retested the near lows here, and then finally the stock kind of works its way up and has this little breakout day here on heavier volume, and so that would have been the entry point around 48 to 26. You would have had a few days of worry ahead of you as the stock dropped almost 5% from the entry point, but then it's rallied since then. And on the upside, you could have eked out a 20% gain, taking your profits. If you're still in the stock, you're kind of in the round trip zone at the moment, so you're still profitable, but you have to watch the round tripping on this stock. So certainly volatile trading. Definitely, there's been a 20% gain to be had, and so if you're interested in this stock going forward, given that it is in an uptrend, albeit volatile, then I would probably suggest that you take a look at this on a reasonable pullback or on a reasonable consolidation pattern for a breakout. But definitely want to watch, given its early action from its IPO start. So that's it for this IPO. Hope you found this interesting. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.